tragic note, this being a Flipkart delivery boy who was murdered by a gym instructor. The gory incident that took place in Bengaluru, and the reason why he was murdered is because the gym instructor did not have money to pay the Flipkart boy for the Chinese phone that he had ordered. The accused here, who is the gym instructor, was nabbed from his residence. He had slit the victim's throat, watched him bleed to death, and then pushed his body, dumped it in the elevator shaft and ran away from the spot. The accused, the images of which we're playing out on our screen.
Even as Bengaluru flaunts the tag of e-commerce hub, this is the episode of a delivery that has gone awry. In a cold-blooded murder, a Flipkart delivery boy whose throat was slit was dumped in this building by a gym instructor 3 days ago. A cash on delivery was ordered for a Redmi mobile phone, and unable to gather money to receive the parcel, he went on and slit the throat and dumped the body here. Police have arrested the accused, who had joined this gym as an instructor a week ago. The family is devastated, and it's time the e-commerce companies take measures to ensure the safety of the delivery boys who are out on the roads all the time. With camera person Hari Subramaniam, this is Jayaprakash reporting for NewsX from Bengaluru.
Let's get in further inputs there with the accused having been nabbed by the police. What next on this case there? Our correspondent Jayaprakash with the details. Please go ahead.
Yeah, sir, this murder happened on 8th of December when Nanjun Swami, the Flipkart delivery boy, came to deliver this Redmi mobile, which was ordered on a cash-on-delivery basis by the gym instructor. Over the days, there was this foul smell emanating from the lift shaft, which prompted the building owners and the neighbors to peep into it, to find out that there was a body which was getting decomposed there, and the police were called in. Simultaneously, there was a missing complaint filed by the deceased Nanjun Swami's father in a police station nearby, and there was a lookout for this man. And finally, when this body was found, they collaborated and found that the body was in fact of Nanjun Swami, who was murdered by Varun, the gym instructor, on December 8th. 2 days after the murder, the body was discovered, and the family is devastated now.
What's the police maintaining on this? This, of course, being murder charges that have been slapped against the accused. What are we looking at currently?
Well, the police who investigated the case went on the trail to track this the gym instructor based on the mobile phone call logs and the tower. They in fact nabbed this culprit 2 days after the murder. Right now, it remains to be seen whether the Flipkart company, which operates the e-commerce on a big platform in Bangalore, will attend to the needs of the family who are at the tragic loss now.
That's right. Questions also perhaps would be asked: can Flipkart really compensate the family in any manner? Of course, not the tragedy already having been occurred. Any compensation amount that has probably been announced by the company there?
As of now, the company has not come out in open as the case is just fresh. The company has not even issued a release in this effect, but it remains to be seen whether the company will act after the family of the deceased are going to press for compensation, as the deceased Nanjun Swami has a 1.5-year-old child, and the father is a mechanic. Obviously, they come from a lower strata of the society, trying to meet ends.
Jayaprakash, there was a statement that came in from the Flipkart spokesperson saying that the deceased has worked for an agency that delivered products for the company there, and the family is going to be assisted financially. Can you get in more details on that?
Well, it's too early as of now, because the delivery boy belonged to E-Cart, which is a sub-vendor which works with Flipkart to deliver goods across Bangalore.
Right.
It remains to be seen whether what kind of compensation whether jobs will be given to the other, the deceased wife, or monetary compensation to that effect. But this is the first of the case in Bangalore wherein a delivery boy has met this tragic end. Though we have seen certain incidents where the products have been stolen,
Right.
The delivery boys.
Absolutely. Some amount of security perhaps that the delivery boys would need now as well, that the companies need to look into. Jay Prakash, thank you for those inputs there. We'll leave it at that.